Hello and welcome to Thank You for joining me. Are you having trouble finding a pillow that has good support and comfort? Well, I have a pillow for you. Well, right here I have a Sidney Sleep Adjustable Bamboo Pillow. Alright, here we go. This is what the pillow looks like after it has been expanded. The curved shape contours your neck and body, ensuring proper alignment and providing support. The outer cover is super soft and breathable. Not only that, the bamboo cover does not trap heat. This pillow is also antibacterial and hypoallergenic. This inner lining is made from 100% premium polyester, and it's breathable and it does not trap heat. This opening here is where you are able to adjust your pillow to suit your sleep, to fill or to remove the memory foam as to your preference. After adjusting your pillow, this can be good for back sleepers or side sleepers.